USPH is United States Public Health. Yeah, it's a rule and regulation for hygiene and sanitize. When our cruise coming to United States, then arrive in the port. Yeah, so all staff from United States they will come to cruise ship to make to check our all area in cruise ship to make sure there is clean and hygiene. Yeah, with USPH standard, madam.
If you were offered a position, when would you be available to start? When are you available to start?
Uh, Possible is soon, maybe after this interview, maybe next month is possible, madam.
Okay. All right, so that's all that I have to ask from you. So you passed your interview. So can you just wait for your offer letter to arrive? Okay, you will be sent an email notification. Okay.
Okay, madam. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you. You are fast.